some serious joke and pass the line. Maybe a man, I'm sorry if I go up on the show. You know, turn on the comment section, my mother. Turn on the comment section. Maybe a man, I'm sorry if I go up on the show and act so ridiculous. My sincere apology. But madam, maybe a man, I'm sorry to me aunt. And I will never do it again. And I can be the man enough to come and apologize to my people. And I can apologize to the people on TikTok. But the people on TikTok will bash me. My sincere apology for my idiot act. And may I take the bashing, bro? May I take the bashing, dog? May I take the bashing, bro? You understand me, bro? May I take the bashing? At least me can be the big man, bro. At least me can be a big man and apologize and step up to my ranks, bro. Hear that? At least we can be a big man and step up to my ranks and say, mommy, I'm sorry. And to the whole TikTok fraternity, the whole TikTok universe, the tappers them, the gifters them, the fake page them, my moderator them, the woman, the man, the boys, the girls them over here. I'm so sorry for act like a ridiculous idiot. I'm so sorry, TikTok. Maybe I make a public apology to everybody. I'm so sorry. You understand to me, chat? So who want bash me after this gonna bash me? Me come give me a fair view. I'm an apology, bro. So who want bash me, bro. The greatest thing, bro, me know, bro. I me know say in myself a joke. But I never know say it take a blow so far, bro. To every mother's over here, I'm so sorry. To every mother's over here. Me I talk about the mother, me not talk about the man them, me I talk about the mothers them. I'm so sorry to every mother over here. You understand to me? No disrespect. And if you see me can turn on my life and come tell you say me sorry. I really and truly mean it. Me can step up to my action. Everybody make mistake. Everybody make mistake. You understand? So all who are bash me say people make video, me just laugh. I'm gonna tell you this straight. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be fair to everybody, bro. You know why the people them bash me, bro? The people them for bash me. Because I hold up a people, my bash and bring down. That's what I'm telling you, moderator. Make them talk. Make them talk. You have to make them talk. Make them talk, bro. Make them talk. And who we are bash me, nobody not perfect. Who we over here bash me, charge and talk. Who we are bash me, don't make the apology already. Who we are bash me, bro. Everybody make mistake. I don't know the worst time is someone else suck wood, someone else fuck body, someone else take fucking on the mouth, someone else take fucking on the body, someone else do some accurate thing. I never suck a pussy yet, and I never fuck a body, and the boy can't fuck me, and I never will. I just cross the line with my mom. But just on a serious joke and cross the line with my mother, which I shouldn't do. I say, I'm so sorry, mommy. I'm say to my baby mother, I'm so sorry. No matter how I love my baby mother, my mother to me heart. I just try to be funny. You understand to me? Nobody not perfect. Nobody not perfect. And you know me do this thing? At the fake page, I have the most to say. Hello? Yeah. I'm telling you, I'm sorry, bro. me don't make a public apology, bro, and tell you say me sorry, bro. So me need on the back and forward. You see my baby mother. Me tell you say me sorry, brother. Me sorry after me bro. You understand, bro? Me sorry. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah man, big up, big up. Take care, love you. Tell me that's some love for her. I say, power top.
Leave that. Leave that. Leave that.
So who want talk, brother? Who want talk? I mean, I go again, bro. I go again. Back. I go again. Bro, I can't, bro. I can't stand up to what I say, brother. And I can't be the man enough to come and apologize, brother. No man a big an apology, bro. No man a big an apology, dog. So after I met this bro and tell it to people say me sorry, tell me mother say me sorry, me the apology already, man. Tell me baby say me sorry. Me don't own nobody else.